Okay guys, so I just woke up and got ready real quick. I had to go get my rental. Guys, the car that they gave me, this is like my first time going on a trip by myself, so I'm kind of like, let me just do some self-care time. I'm probably gonna go to the city, drive around a little bit, go to Brooklyn, get food. We'll just see where the day takes us. 23 degrees outside, like no cap. There is no outfit of the day. The outfit of the day is just warm. That's what it is. Oh, it's literally Nike all day. I have my white Forces, Nike sweatpants, and then I have my Nike puffer jackets in the car. And yeah, so it's about to be a nice cool time. I'm gonna show you guys around my favorite city. You know I love New York. Okay, look at the car they gave me. Look at the beautiful, look at this Jeep, you guys. Hold on, it's cold as fuck. Oh my god. Yeah, let me lock the doors. Look at this car. Y'all know I'm so happy right now. Honestly, like this shit is so cute. This is not safe, but guys, I'm about to whip this bitch. I'm about to be like, it was God, because I was really expecting like Toyota Camry, but you know they want to upgrade me. I said, well, go ahead. I'm not gonna say no. Go ahead, go ahead. I'm about to go get some coffee from Dunkin'. Y'all ever had Dunkin' iced lattes? I'm about to put you guys on game right now. I need that to, even though I am already energized right now, I'm just excited, but I need coffee to like really hold me off until the end of the day. So I'm about to get some, and then shit, we're about to head out. Okay. Not about to pay today. You know, I gotta scoot up my chair. Okay. Oh, this is a press start. Never had that. Never experienced that. Let me stop. Y'all, this is my crack. Oh my god. Iced coffee. And there. For all my hubba shows. Oh my god. One thing about these Dunkin' people. Damn, they put hella fucking. It's so sweet. It does not need to be this sweet. Well, I'm about to be on a sugar high, about to be on a coffee high. High off this energy. Where are we going? Let's go to the city. Let's see what's popping. Let's be city girls for a day. We've gotten to the destination. I'm a sucker for like viewpoints. Guys, it is so cold. I don't think you guys understand what 19 degrees is. For my people in the West Coast, like Oregonians, you guys, we get 40s and 30s, but 19? Nah, son, this is insane. Okay, but this is the Williamsburg Bridge, and across, because we're in Brooklyn, so you can see the city. You can see the Brooklyn Bridge over there. It's the Manhattan Bridge, and then the next one over is the Brooklyn Bridge. But it's such a cute little spot, you know. You can go on walks with your mans or your girls, you know. You can also chill out here, literally. Domino Park is a little bit towards that way. It's an actual park where like people play soccer, they exercise out there, they do whatever. I just came to this spot just because there's not a lot of people. I don't really want to be around people right now, so I was like, let me find a secluded place where you can still get the view. It's so cute. Look at this city. I say this on every vlog. This is my favorite city to go to, so when I come out here, I should have vlogged different places that I personally like to go to. For anybody who has never been, definitely do not recommend you guys to come to New York at this time. You won't get the full experience. Like, you gotta come in the summer, post-COVID. That's when you really gotta come. But this is it, guys. This is my first errand of the day. Not really errand, but my first activity. You know, a cute little walk in the park. But it's cold. It's cold. I showed you guys the view. I did my diligence. Now it's time to go. Because I also did not put a parking meter. Guys, look at these apartments. I already know taxing. Second location. We just did some sightseeing. We're about to go thrifting. You guys always hear that New York has the best thrifting places. I tried to just search up something that was close to where I am, and it closes literally in 45 minutes, so it takes 18 minutes to get there. So I'll have roughly, you know, I'll have like time. They're probably around, oh, I'll get there around 5:03. Is that a coinkydink? 5:03 because I'm from the 5:03. Okay, I'm literally halfway through my coffee. So I like to thrift, but sometimes I just don't have the patience for it. It kind of just depends on the mood, but I'm really excited to go to this place because it says that it's cheap and it's good things and it's in Brooklyn, so how bad can it be? Like heaven of thrifting. I'm already done. Look, got one little Adidas, gotta get a basic plaid. I feel like I got a good amount of stuff. A few jackets, one Nike shirt, Under Armour, and a Ralph Lauren polo shirt. But I need to get out of here because if I stay I'm gonna buy more stuff. So I got my stuff. Beautiful view of the city. That is where we're headed to next. I'm hungry. Literally all I've had today was my coffee. Very successful day. I'm gonna end it with a great dinner. Currently in, I thought we were in Brooklyn, but technically we're in Queens because blushing, see, look. To give you guys a full tour, but this is the Sahara style. It's a 4-door. Okay, so we got a little small compartment. But very cute, guys. Very, very cute. Honestly, my dream car was the Jeep Compass, but this is the Sahara. I'm like a really efficiency person, so whatever car saves gas, even if I got all the money of the world, I'm still rock the most gas saving car, because why would I waste money on oil for, I would get like the electric car. Guys, you guys just been following me all day. No one tired of me yet? Alrighty guys, we are officially in Harlem. I don't know if you guys can see, but there we have the famous Apollo Theater. Alrighty guys, so we're about to get some Ethiopian food from Binios. I'm so excited. Y'all, look at this. Fire! Okay, we got the tips, the dorowet, the goman, Jesus, the shiro, this is the atikut, I think, and then the alicha. Which one's your favorite? Of course. Okay, yeah. Out of the, okay. And then goman. I'm actually, not a lot of people like goman. I swear, this is like low-key bottom tier. I would take the shiro over the goman, 100%. I feel like I've been running around everywhere. I showed you guys some lit places to go to. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, guys. It is day 2. I literally just got ready. Guys, look, I'm just, it's the waves. It's the waves for me. Look at these earrings. I got the Musco. We're on silver today. Yesterday we had a little bit gold. Today we're gonna just silver it up. Y'all, this is a game changer. A matcha Dunkin'. Are you done? Look at this. Are you stupid? Now you guys know I love my matcha, but we're gonna have a great day today. This just made it even greater. On our way to the Bronx, I had to run a few errands all day today, but we're about to pull up on our friends at Deli. I don't know if you guys remember, but guys who were in our last few vlogs, say hi. You know, they're always good vibes. vibes every time we go. The best mozzarella sticks too in the Bronx. I'm gonna get their reaction. We might actually surprise them. So. Alrighty guys, we pulled up to the Bronx. Look who it is.
Bronx, best of the best, and fuck all the rest. Gang, gang, gang.
You guys already know it's Mr. Ali himself. To get the number 9, the Downy. But if y'all want to come, I highly recommend the Spicy Ali. That's him. It's actually a lot of stuff, but it's fire. It's fire, y'all. Literally the best deli in the Bronx. No cap. Alrighty guys, we are signing. I forgot my necklace. Damn it. Really? You got one? No, it's okay. No. Today was a very chillax day. We just ran errands, went to the Bronx, visited our peoples. The outfit of the day. It's gonna keep digging. 1 second, guys. Safety first. You guys, the outfit of the day. This is the denim jacket that I got from the thrift store. We got some white forces, some leather jeggings, and just a little lace shirt. Don't harm no one. Lace don't harm no one. Look at the snow. Do you guys see this? Hopefully this all goes down because I gotta fly in 2 days, so we'll see. Spending the night on a snowy day. All flights are canceled. I'm trying to get a new flight. This is my second time that my flight has been canceled, so at this point I'm like, do I need to stay another day? In all seriousness, I need to go home. I need to go home. Can everyone just say a prayer? Because this snowstorm is actually real. This is exactly why I cannot live in the East Coast. I cannot. It's above me. The snow is literally above me. I cannot. To sum it all up, there is a snowstorm in New York, Jersey, Maine, and all the other states above us. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yesterday I was trapped in the car for like 4 hours. The car was stuck in the snow. They said they haven't seen snow like this in years, so I don't know. I could not be me. I'm not used to this. I love snow, I love winter, I love the like aesthetic behind it as an adult, and when you have shit to do, this is such like an inconvenience, honestly. I'm literally just chilling in the telly. I'm about to do some homework. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna edit this video, I'm gonna do this homework. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I hope whenever you guys do get the chance to come to New York, I hope you guys, you know, check out the places that I showed you guys. I mean, there's so many other places that I have yet to discover. I feel like every time I come here, I like get to see new things, and I get to like experience and find like new adventures and stuff. All right, see you guys in the next vlog.